You want fewer mistakes, better audits, and a safer workplace? It all starts with one thing: quality culture. Quality culture means that everyone in the facility, from operators to managers, takes ownership of doing the right thing, even when no one is watching. Without a strong culture, procedures fail, GMPs are ignored, and audits? Well, you might not pass. Culture starts at the top. Leaders must follow the rules, give praise for quality actions, and correct issues consistently. Training shouldn't just say what to do, it should explain why it matters. Because, people protect what they understand. Let employees stop the line. Encourage them to report problems without fear. That's real empowerment. Reward those who take initiative. Recognizing even small wins reinforces the mindset. Post quality metrics, display training goals, make quality part of daily life, not just audits. Quality culture isn't a program, it's a habit. Start today and you'll see results tomorrow. Subscribe for more HACCP and GMP tips every week.